CorpBiz.
Hello friends, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel CorpBiz. Today in this video, we are going to explain you regarding the topic mergers, means the mergers in India. First of all, we'll discuss what is a merger, the reason behind the mergers, the type of mergers in India, and we'll also discuss regarding the process of mergers in India. So let's begin the video. Mergers. Merger can be defined as a collaboration, or it can be treated as an agreement between two or more companies to form a new company. Merger in India is done with the desire to expand the business and to reach every corner of the market. Reason behind the mergers. So when one company is merging with the another company to form a new entity, means to form a new company, what can be reason behind that? So let me explain you. A merger in India help in eliminating the competition, it help in establishing the strong brand, it help in reducing the tax liabilities, it help in setting off the losses of one entity against the profit of other. Types of merger in India. So now we will discuss regarding the types of merger in India, means there are various types of merger in India which are defined as follows. Horizontal merger. Horizontal merger is the kind of merger who are dealing with the similar product or the services, means the two entities who are collaborating are dealing in the same product or services. Vertical mergers. Vertical merger is between those entities who are involved in dealing complementary goods and services. Co-generic mergers. Co-generic merger is a type of merger in which two entities, means the two party or the two company, are somehow related to each other. Conglomerate mergers. So conglomerate merger is type of a merger in which two different companies are involved that are dealing in the different business. Cash mergers. Cash merger is a kind of merger in which a shareholder get cash instead of the share of the merged entity. Forward mergers. Forward merger is a kind of merger in which entity merge itself with the buyer. It help in increasing the profit of the firm. Reverse mergers. Reverse merger is a kind of merger in which entity merge itself with the supplier of a raw material. Process of mergers in India. So we will now discuss one by one regarding the process of mergers in India. Dig into memorandum to examine the object clause. In this step, proper scrutinizing, verification and due diligence is carried out with the purpose of checking, rechecking the documentation process, the financial status, the memorandum of association of the company, means with the company you in future you are planning to merge. A proper research work is carried out regarding the company. Share a word with stock exchange. So in this step, what you will do, you will send all the relevant document like the notice, resolution and other requisite document of the proposed merger to the stock exchange. Draft a merger proposal. The board of directors of both the organization will introduce the affirmation and will draft the merger proposition and will further pass a resolution regarding the key administrative staff to pursue the issue. File an application to the High Court. The merger organization, after receiving the affirmation on a proposal by the board of directors, shall record an application to the Honorable Court of the individual state where the headquarters is situated. Notice dispatched to shareholders and creditors. With the earlier approval of High Court, a notification will be sent to all the investors, to all the creditors of the organization, means declaring about the meeting that to be held within 21 days when the notification is out. So the notification will be published in two languages. One is vernacular language of this state and another is English language, and the notice will be published in a newspaper. Filling of the orders with the registrar of companies. The genuine confirmed copy of the request for the High Court of the state must be documented to the registrar of the company with the limited time period. Asset and liabilities of both the companies should be merged. So the time has come when in this step the asset and liabilities of both the organization will be merged. Issue for subscription of shares and debentures. In this step, organization can offer for the share and debenture after listing on stock exchange. So I hope you get all the information regarding the mergers process in India. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.